When you invest in a money market fund, who really handles your money? Do you know your money market fund trustee? Do you know your money market fund custodian? Who are these people and why do they matter to you? Let's break this down. Welcome to Finance Focus with Andrew, a platform where we engage in conversation that endeavor to enhance our financial literacy. In case you are coming across this page for the first time, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime we post a new financial tip. And in this video, we are going to break down the key participants in a money market fund that you really need to know, and you really need to know the individual companies that represent these people to ensure that your money market fund is safe. Now, majority of us only know about the fund manager because this is the fund that we have invested our money in, but there are other participants that really matter to you. Let's start with the fund manager. Majority of us know the fund manager. So the fund manager is the brain behind the money market fund. It is that company that you have invested in. It is that company that you give your money. It is that company that makes the decision on where to invest what. And it is this company whose financial discipline, whose skills determines the kind of returns that you get from your money market fund. We can say that a money market is a car, so the fund manager is a driver, but they don't own the car. Hope it makes sense. They are driving the car, but they don't own the car. The second participant that you should know, it is the trustee. Now, the trustee is there for an oversight job. The trustee is there to represent the interest of the investors. The trustee is there to watch and make sure that the fund manager is operating within the regulations that have been provided by the law governing the money market fund. He is there to ensure that he does not move off the rail. He is there to approve investments before they are made. He is there to raise red flags in case there are any. So as long as the trustee and the fund manager are not in bed, like the trustee is not compromised, if anything happens to go wrong, they should be able to tell us. Let's go to the third guy, the custodian. Now, the custodian is this guy who now keeps the real cash and assets for the fund manager, and it is usually a bank. So this is the person, this is the vault that keeps the money that has been invested in a money market fund, and it provides an independent reporting of the assets held by the fund manager. Nothing moves without their record. So if the fund manager is moving some money to invest in one particular thing, the trustee must know. The custodian, that is the bank where the funds are held, they must know. So it is very critical to understand these three participants. I can give an example. Maybe you might hear that a particular bank is going down, and you say your money market fund is safe. But little did you know, they were the custodian of your money market fund. So it means these guys who are going down, they are the one who are holding the real cash, the real assets for your money market fund. So it will still be affected. So when you are looking for a money market fund to invest, always make sure that other than the fund manager, you ask question of who is the trustee of that fund manager and who are the custodian for that particular fund manager. If you are already in a money market fund, I challenge you to make that effort today. Get to know the trustee of your money market fund. Get to know the custodian of your money market fund. And all these trustees should be people that are regulated and approved by the Capital Market Authority. Of course, a bank should be regulated by the Central Bank of Kenya. So ensure that the trustee to your money market fund, now let's start here. Ensure that the fund manager is regulated by Capital Market Authority. Ensure that the trustee is regulated by the Capital Market Authority, or not regulated but rather licensed to do that role. And the custodian, that is the bank, is regulated by the Central Bank of Kenya. that will make your money market fund more safe. If you found this video helpful, kindly like, share, and comment. Until next time, stay financially woke.